Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this training video, we'll explore the Kanban board in the task module. Let's get started. Access the job Kanban board in the tasks module. If more than one company has been added to your account, select the desired company at the top of the tasks page. The Kanban panel is open by default on the tasks page. This board provides a visual and interactive job flow manager, organizing jobs and job-related tasks in columns for key sales and production lifecycle queues. It's a snapshot of all your sales leads and all jobs that have not yet moved into a billing queue. The light green colored column titled Sales Leads contains a list of active sales leads. These sales leads are tasks. These tasks may or may not convert to active jobs. Learn more about sales leads in the Support Center. The 5 gray-colored columns display active jobs in each of the respective non-billing lifecycle queues. The column called Jobs and Estimate Queue lists all active jobs that have been quoted but not yet started. These jobs remain on hold pending approval of your estimated price proposal by the carrier or client. Jobs in Process displays a list of all jobs that are active in the field, with a count of jobs in the status queue, average days in the queue, and number of tasks. Completed Jobs in Review lists all jobs that are complete in the field and pending supervisor approval before being moved to the Ready for Billing status queue. Like other columns, it lists counts of jobs in this queue, average days in the queue, and number of tasks. Jobs Ready for Billing lists all jobs that are fully complete and approved in the field and are now ready for billing work to begin. Warranty Jobs is another optional status queue. It lists all jobs performed at no charge to a vendor or client. Examples of these types of jobs include work performed on behalf of a plumber who refers jobs to your business, etc. This optional status queue is one way Blade helps you keep these types of jobs and job costs separate from billable work. Use the sort icon to sort the order of displayed jobs by task assignee or by task due date. This is a powerful way to manage assigned work at the job site. For example, sort to see all job tasks assigned to Shift 1 or Shift 2 or to any other role or user. All right, let's dig into some details. In our example, we have a sales lead task for a potential client named Jimmy Stewart. Notice that the task icon is darkened, indicating a task exists. A light-colored task icon with a green plus button indicates there are no active tasks. The green-colored border indicates that the sales lead task is not yet overdue. The border will be red if the assigned task is overdue. Click on the task icon to view or edit the sales lead task. Make changes to task data as needed. All changes are saved automatically. I'll change the due date to reflect a date in the past. Notice that overdue task dates are highlighted in red, and the task tile border is also red. There are 2 ways to complete a sales lead task on the Kanban board. The first way is to click on the sales lead task icon. Then simply click on the Sold checkbox. Indicate if the job was sold or not. The term Sold Job is a sales lead that converts to an active new job. If the sales lead was not converted to a sold job, click No, and then select the reason why the sales lead was not converted. Blade manages all this data so you can run reports on sales conversions by referral source and sales associate. Customize your own reasons why leads are not sold in the General Input section of Account Settings. The second way to complete a sales lead task is to simply drag the tile to the appropriate production lifecycle queue. Let's say we converted the Jimmy Stewart sales lead to a job, and work will begin immediately. I'll drag the tile into the Jobs in Process queue and complete the move as prompted. You can see that we are prompted to add some additional required client information and some additional job-specific information, including billing information, cause of loss, etc. Let's open the Projects page and navigate to the Tesco company to see that our Jimmy Stewart sales lead is now an active job in the Jobs in Process status queue. Each tile in any active job status queue represents a single job. For example, the client named Jimbo James has 2 active jobs in process. Hover over the client name to see the name of the job. Neither of those jobs have an active task. Let's add a job-related task. This could be daily instructions for your techs or any other tasks associated with this particular job. We'll add a task to this mitigation job to remove the lower base kitchen cabinets and flood cut the drywall behind the cabinets. Tasks can be assigned to a single user or to a role. Multiple users can be tagged to a role in Blade. Assigning a task to a role assigns the task to multiple related users. The new task has been created and the Kanban tile has been updated. Blade gives you multiple ways to create, view, and manage tasks. For example, we see this newly added task in the Kanban board. We can also create, view, and manage tasks in the calendar and map view. See and manage all job tasks in the Job Tasks panel. We can also navigate to the project page and manage job tasks on the job panel. Use these job tasks in whatever way works best for your company. For example, you can create a new task each day for this job. Or you can simply modify a single task by reassigning ownership to a new crew or individual each day with a new due date and additional instructions added to the task node. To demonstrate, let's add another task to this same Jimbo James job. Now we have 2 tasks assigned to this job. Add multiple tasks and complete them as you go to maintain a record of all assigned and completed tasks. Or you might prefer to modify a single task and assign it to another user or role and use job tasks in that way. I'll demo that with Jimbo James. Done. It's that easy. All these assigned tasks are available on the mobile app. Mobile users receive notifications when new tasks are assigned, and notifications can be automatically sent when tasks are started and completed. Once again, when the job is complete, simply drag the tile to the next status queue. The status of the job is automatically changed everywhere in Blade to reflect the current life cycle status of the job. Lastly, there may be cases where a job is terminated before restoration work is complete for whatever reason. To close and deactivate a job, click on the 3-dot ellipsis and follow the prompts. Okay, that's a good overview of the Blade Kanban board. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.